Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, The Guru of Moving. In this video, we are going to show you the top 10 ways to have a green move. Moving to a new home can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, but it can also be a great opportunity to make positive changes not only in your life, but also in the environment. By taking steps to make your move more green, you can minimize your carbon footprint and help protect the planet. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with the top 10 ways to have a green move. Here are our top 10 tips to help you make your move more environmentally friendly. Number 1. Declutter before you move. Decluttering before the move plays a vital role in having a green move. By decluttering, you reduce the number of items that need to be transported, ultimately minimizing the resources and energy required for the move. This results in a reduced carbon footprint and less waste generation. Additionally, decluttering presents an opportunity to donate or sell unwanted items, giving them a second life and preventing them from ending up in landfills. By consciously deciding what to keep and what to let go, you promote a more sustainable lifestyle and create a positive environmental impact. Number 2. Use eco-friendly packing materials. Using eco-friendly packing materials promotes a green move by minimizing waste, reducing resource demand, and supporting recycling efforts. These materials, like recycled boxes and biodegradable packing peanuts, can be reused or recycled after the move, further reducing environmental impact. They are made from sustainable sources, contributing to a lower carbon footprint. By choosing eco-friendly options, you inspire others to make environmentally conscious choices. Opting for eco-friendly packing materials is a simple yet effective way to have a sustainable and eco-friendly move. Number 3. Rent reusable moving boxes. Renting reusable moving boxes is an excellent way to have a green move. By opting for reusable boxes, you eliminate the need for single-use cardboard boxes, which often end up in landfills after the move. Renting these boxes reduces the demand for new boxes and saves trees that would have been used in their production. Additionally, reusable boxes are typically made from durable materials, ensuring that they can be used for multiple moves, further reducing waste. Renting also eliminates the hassle of disposing of cardboard boxes after the move. By choosing reusable moving boxes, you contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly moving process. Number 4. Recycle and donate packing materials. Recycling cardboard boxes, bubble wrap, packing paper, and other materials helps divert them from landfills and conserves valuable resources. By properly recycling these materials, you contribute to the circular economy and reduce the environmental impact of your move. Additionally, donating packing materials such as boxes or bubble wrap to others who may need them extends their usability and prevents unnecessary waste. It also promotes a sense of community and reduces the need for new packaging materials. By prioritizing recycling and donation, you actively participate in sustainable practices and minimize the environmental footprint of your move. Number 5. Plant trees. Planting trees is a powerful way to have a green move and positively impact the environment. By planting trees in your new location, you contribute to reforestation efforts and help restore ecosystems. Trees play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas responsible for climate change, and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This helps combat climate change and improve air quality. Additionally, trees provide shade, reduce energy consumption by cooling surrounding areas, and support biodiversity by providing habitats for various species. By planting trees during or after your move, you actively contribute to a greener, more sustainable future for yourself and future generations. If you are enjoying our videos, please be sure to do a great thing today and hit that subscribe button. It really helps more than you know. Number 6. Use green cleaning products. Traditional cleaning products often contain harmful chemicals that can be detrimental to the environment and human health. By opting for green cleaning products, you choose safer alternatives that are biodegradable, non-toxic, and made from natural ingredients. These products are better for the air quality in your home and minimize water pollution when they are rinsed away. Additionally, green cleaning products often come in recyclable or refillable packaging, reducing waste. By using eco-friendly cleaning products during your move, you contribute to a healthier living environment and minimize the negative impact of chemical pollutants on the planet. Number 7. Choose energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances consume less energy during operation, reducing both your energy bills and carbon footprint. Look for appliances with high Energy Star ratings, as they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. These appliances are designed to maximize performance while minimizing energy waste. By selecting energy-efficient models for your new home, you contribute to conservation efforts, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, energy-efficient appliances often come with advanced features that help you optimize resource usage and save water, further enhancing their environmental benefits. Number 8. Use old moving boxes. Reusing cardboard boxes reduces the demand for new boxes and prevents them from ending up in landfills. Instead of purchasing new boxes, consider repurposing boxes from previous moves or collecting them from friends, family, or local businesses. Old moving boxes can be reinforced if needed and provide a reliable and eco-friendly option for packing your belongings. By giving these boxes a second life, you reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact associated with producing new packaging materials. Remember to properly recycle or donate these boxes after your move to continue the cycle of sustainability. Number 9. Recycle old electronics. Electronic waste, or e-waste, contains hazardous materials that can harm the environment if not properly disposed of. Instead of throwing away old electronics, recycling them ensures that valuable materials are recovered and harmful substances are handled responsibly. Many communities have e-waste recycling programs or designated drop-off locations where you can safely dispose of your old electronics. By recycling your old electronics, you prevent them from ending up in landfills, reduce the extraction of raw materials needed for new devices, and promote the reuse of valuable resources. This helps to conserve energy, reduce pollution, and protect the environment. Number 10. Buy secondhand furniture. Opting for pre-owned furniture reduces the demand for new furniture production, which has a significant environmental impact. By purchasing secondhand, you extend the lifespan of furniture items and prevent them from ending up in landfills. It also reduces the need for resources, such as wood and energy, that would have been used in the manufacturing process. Buying secondhand furniture often comes at a lower cost, allowing you to save money while making a positive environmental choice. Additionally, you can find unique and vintage pieces that add character and charm to your new home. By embracing secondhand furniture, you promote a circular economy and contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. And there you have it. By implementing these 10 ways to have a green move, you can significantly reduce your environmental footprint, conserve resources, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, every small action counts, and together, we can make a difference. So, whether it's decluttering responsibly, using reusable packing materials, or choosing energy-efficient appliances, each choice you make has a positive impact. Let's strive to create greener moves and inspire others to join us on this journey towards a more sustainable world. Together, we can make every move a green move. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and until the next time, take care and have an amazing day.